guys, day 3 was absolutely brilliant. Do tell me what you learned. I want to hear all about the amazingness that you experienced today. Our speakers were off the charts. They were bringing that knowledge and expertise to you and making sure that you guys had a system for each and every session that you got to watch today. So I'm super, super stoked about that. Now, day 4 is happening tomorrow. So I'm excited to see everyone there. And if you have already upgraded to your all access pass, thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Super, super stoked for all of you who have already snagged that. Certainly stoked for those women who are coming out of domestic violence as we are building out the AWISH Academy, and 50% of all the proceeds from this event are going to that effort. If you do not want to purchase an all access pass, don't forget there is an opportunity to donate, all of which is a tax write-off because you are attending a professional development seminar, such as this big summit. So for sure, definitely make sure I am added to your safe senders list, Marissa at bizsystemsummit.com. You want to make sure you are getting the emails that I'm sending out so you stay on top of what's happening as we move from one day to the next. And as those sessions begin to come down, I don't want you to miss out on your opportunity to see what is here. If you have any questions whatsoever for me, feel free to reach out to me. Make sure you send me a direct message or email me, because right now Facebook has me in jail. I'm actually surprised it's allowing me to jump on here and go live like this. So thank you, Facebook gods. But definitely reach out to me if you have any questions. You're also welcome to reach out to any of the speakers. They are staying in touch with me, and we are answering questions as best we can as those come across our desk. So definitely reach out if you have a question about something or you need any assistance. We want everybody to get everything they need from this event so you can continue to systematize and scale your business. Okay, guys, I will see everyone bright and early right here tomorrow. Bye, everybody.